Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel and this is your Chavan, and in this video we are going to discuss about the difference between a failure trader and a successful trader. What are the mistakes done by the failure trader and how to overcome it? What are the things we have to do to overcome it? We are going to discuss here. Mostly in trading 90% of a traders loses their money, and maximum in that all are beginners. Okay, that's why I am doing most inspirational videos and learning videos for beginners, and definitely you have to take these points and always remember these points before you will trade. I hope you understood why I am saying like this. Keeping the capital safe is very important in trading. If you lose the capital, definitely after learning also you will not get confident about your trades. Make sure that every trade it should be successful to gain the confidence on you. To become a successful in this, definitely you should have a confidence on you, on your learning. Here we see the difference between a failure trader and a successful trader. First of all, a beginner start with the trading, who start with the trading by arranging the capital without any knowledge, investing in trading. If he invest without any knowledge, definitely he is going to lose the money. Even most of the people losing money with experience as well. Beginners, it's not possible to earn the money. Maybe he can earn 1 or 2 days. Definitely at the end of the month, at the end of the year, definitely he will be in the losses. So we have to avoid if you want to avoid the losses, learn the concepts and then practice. That's what the successful trader do. First of all, if you want to earn the money, if you want to enter the trading, he will start learning the trading and trading concepts, so trading everything, tips and suggestions and all, and then he practice all the concepts. What are the elements, what are segments, what terminologies, everything, and then he start investing, and then he will become a successful in trading. And learning new things from a failure trader learn new things from mistakes by paying the capital. Means without knowledge, he will create a demat account and he will add some amount and he will start investing. Without knowledge, definitely he is going to lose money, and from that mistakes he start learning the concepts and he start learning the things. Definitely this is not the right way. See, a successful trader always learn his mistakes and others mistakes as well. First of all, if you want to trade, learn the mistakes from which is already done by other traders, so that you can avoid the trades without paying any capital. Okay, this is a best approach to become a successful trader. Focus on the mistakes which is already done by others, and a failure trader always start trading with the intention to earn the money. Okay, but a successful trader start trading with a passionate and very interest about the trading and investments. Definitely you should have enthusiasm to learn the new things, then only you can make the good amount here. If you are coming to trading for only to earn the money, definitely it's not possible without doing any hard work. This is not a platform to earn the money without any hard work. Okay, a failure trader comes to trading by depending on others. Like nowadays you can see in social medias, so many people is providing the calls, buy this one, sell this one, like this, for the certain amount. If you are going with that in that way, definitely you may get some profits initially, but definitely that is very wrong approach. See, you are investing your huge capital or your money by depending on others. Okay, just think about it. Don't depend on others, depend on your knowledge. That's what the rule of a successful trader. A successful trader always trust himself and his knowledge. Definitely he will be success in trading. And a failure trader, this is a very important point for the beginners who always trades more trades in a day. Fight with market when he lose money. See, for suppose if a trader took a trade and he lost some amount, okay, to recover that he start doing trade against the market to recover that losses. Again he will lose the money and he will get frustrated. Definitely he will start again to take the revenge on market. Definitely he will lose the money. To avoid, you have to do practice on this, and you have to be very disciplined on market. Have to a successful trader always respect the market even in losses and goes with the market. Even if he had losses, he will stop the trading for the day and look forward for new setups, and when he gets a new setup, definitely he will going to recover the money. This is how the successful trader follow the rules. And always a failure trader expect the huge returns and profits. That's why he will fail in trading. But a successful trader always think like it is a step by step earnings, and he start with a consistency of amount of earnings, and then he will become a expert on this. Definitely guys, if you work out on this, definitely you will become a good trader. And focus on the failure mistakes done by the failure trader, and don't do the same mistakes by paying your capital. Keep capital safe. This is very important in trading. And always learn the concepts before you invest at least 10k or even 10k. Okay, and if you are a beginner, definitely you have to start with initial amount, like very less amount, minimum amount. Okay, don't invest a huge amount, that will give huge losses, and you will lose the confidence as well. If you lose the confidence, you will not get trust on yourself to invest on trades. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, definitely click on like button. Like this, we have so many examples of a trader, of a failure trader. If you want to know these things, you can comment section, so that I will make so many videos on this. Thanks for watching.